Have you ever wondered how much peace of mind is worth? Imagine a security system that doesn't just record, but actively helps protect your home or business, alerting you to what matters and letting you respond instantly without lifting more than a finger. That's what the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus offers. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we explore products that are thoughtfully designed, effective, and truly worth your consideration. Today, we're examining the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus plugin, the latest in Ring's line of home and business security cameras. This device is designed for anyone who wants to monitor their property in real time, enhance safety, and maintain control over who enters their space. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood, operate a small business, or simply want added reassurance when away from home, this camera is highly relevant. For those interested, the purchase link is conveniently in the description below. At its core, the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus is a plug-in security camera with wide-angle 1080p HD video, color night vision, and two-way talk. Unlike basic cameras, it integrates motion-activated LED spotlights and a built-in security siren, letting you not only monitor your property, but actively respond to potential intrusions. Trusted by many of 5-star reviewers, it represents the blend of practical design and advanced technology that Ring has consistently delivered over the years. Reason number 1. Clear, continuous monitoring. The first reason to consider the Spotlight Cam Plus is its ability to provide reliable, high-definition monitoring around the clock. With 1080p HD video and color night vision, you can see faces, packages, and activity even after dark. The camera's wide-angle lens ensures that more of your property is visible, reducing blind spots and giving you a clearer understanding of what's happening in real time. This makes it ideal for homeowners and small business owners who prioritize thorough, consistent surveillance. Reason number 2. Active deterrence. Beyond monitoring, this camera is designed to actively protect. 2 motion-activated LED spotlights illuminate areas where movement is detected, while the built-in 110 dB siren allows you to deter potential intruders immediately. These features transform the camera from a passive recording device into an active security measure. Being able to see, react, and alert with a simple tap on your phone provides an added sense of control and confidence. Reason number 3. Customizable motion zones. Not all motion is equal, and Ring understands that. The Spotlight Cam Plus allows you to set customizable motion zones, which focus alerts on areas that matter most to you. Whether it's your driveway, front porch, or backyard, this flexibility minimizes unnecessary notifications while ensuring critical activity is captured. The experience is streamlined, making ownership practical and stress-free, and it's a feature that users frequently praise for convenience and precision. Reason number 4. Plug-in power for continuous security. Unlike battery-operated models that require periodic charging, this camera uses a standard plug-in setup, ensuring uninterrupted power. You won't have to worry about the camera shutting down during a critical moment, which can be a significant concern in high-traffic areas or busy households. For those seeking reliability, this continuous power design provides reassurance that your property is protected at all times. Reason number 5. Seamless connectivity and two-way talk. The Spotlight Cam Plus allows for two-way communication via the Ring app, so you can speak directly to visitors, delivery personnel, or even unexpected guests from anywhere. Combined with compatibility with Alexa, you can receive instant audio notifications, launch video feeds on Echo Show devices, or control certain security features with your voice. This level of connectivity makes monitoring effortless and integrates smoothly into modern smart homes. Final verdict. In summary, the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus stands out for combining visual clarity, proactive deterrence, customization, and connectivity in a single device. While it does rely on a subscription for AI-powered alerts and video history, its core capabilities, HD video, color night vision, motion-activated lighting, siren, and two-way talk, remain fully functional without ongoing costs. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who values a proactive, plug-in security solution that is easy to use and reliable. Whether for a home or business, the Spotlight Cam Plus excels in providing peace of mind, actionable monitoring, and clear, reliable security features. If you are looking to enhance safety while maintaining flexibility and control, this device is a thoughtfully designed and trusted option. For a confident and measured approach to home security, the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus is a choice you can rely on. Enhance your property's safety with calm assurance. Choose Ring Spotlight Cam Plus.